years ago. Dani Alves is on the bench, and he is older still than Thiago. Experience and indeed given their coach fit to start. In June of 2020. So 30.
In Rafinha.
Savic has gone very Vlahovic. Being harried by an eager. Showed a bit of it to Paqueta. Now Neymar. Instantly surrounded. Who has support from Danilo. In by Rafinha. Tadic. Neymar. Rishovkovic. Real Madrid, he is a flyer. Vinicius Junior in behind. He wins only a corner.
That acceleration.
Neymar again with whip. And this time more comfortably gloved by Milinkovic-Savic. Threat. Here's Brazil's corner, which is punched up over his own crossbar.
In those yellow shirts.
Neymar. No way past Lukic, but Vinicius Junior came up with the ball. And now there's Rafinha. And here's Paqueta. Neymar. Neymar! Casemiro. He's had a crack. And Milinkovic-Savic. Pavlovic needs to be wary of Rafinha, who threatened to keep that in play. Mitrovic is waiting. It's Tadic. It's Mitrovic. It's Alisson.
Yeah.
Mitrovic is waiting. It's Tadic. It's Mitrovic. It's Alisson. Thiago Silva joining in and rolling it up here for Vinicius Junior. That's a wonderfully timed intervention by Milinkovic-Savic. That is first-rate. Well, that's a super ball, and that's Rafinha. And Velkovic a full. Paqueta, brilliant. Rafinha, not quite so. Take past the half-hour mark.
Puts it up in the air, light crash on the backside, and the header looping well over by Mladenovic. That's the look there. It's up, popping up wide. Paqueta's cross, Richarlison knocked away. Got back to it, Vinicius Junior is in, and it ends up wide. He's saying it came off a Serbian player.
I mean, Mitrovic is a handful. He's a big target strike.
One back, good A. Can he get back to it? No. Milinkovic-Savic behind Tadic.
Oh, they've given the ball away. This is crazy. Here comes Danilo. Neymar caught up by Goodell, who took him out millimeters before. Neymar took a little flick off the top base. Neymar once more. Richarlison, Paqueta, Rafinha, which comes to meet him. Vinicius Junior can lift it. Neymar, Richarlison, Vinicius Junior. Neymar! Not this time. Serbia preparing their first change.
Yeah, he's slipping into that.
Vinicius Junior. There's Rafinha. Neymar. And Mitrovic has peeled away. Radonjic flicked on at the near post towards Mitrovic. He settled for another call almost before the second half got started. Alexandro has thumped the post. Vinicius Junior, fine save, bundled in. Richarlison, Brazil. They have battered away. And finally, they've knocked the Serbians over. I mean, finally, something on which, for lovers of Brazil to feast. Immaculate intervention from Milenkovic, but it's come to the near post behind Cafu, who was perhaps the... In by Tadic! And Milinkovic! Mitrovic can gather speed. And Lazovic forcing Lazovic back and finding Richarlison! Now that is Brazil! Acrobatic! Five-a-side team.
That's good.
Go. Impacting at once.